Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you tired of paying those expensive subscription fees just to use essential Microsoft Office products? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to getting Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free, legally. Step 1. Access the portal. First, open your web browser and navigate directly to the website office.com to get started. This is Microsoft's official web portal where you can access their entire suite of tools without paying a dime. Step 2. Account setup. If you have a Microsoft account, go ahead and sign in now or click the link to quickly create one for free. Having an account is essential for saving your documents securely and accessing them from any device in the future. Step 3. New document launch. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top left corner and click the prominent plus icon. This single click unlocks the ability to instantly launch a new blank Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation. Step 4. Individual app access. Alternatively, you can access individual applications directly by clicking their dedicated icons on the left-hand menu. Selecting an app like Word this way also gives you instant access to your most recent web documents. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Join our community of elite creators and master the hidden free tools that grow your business today. Step 5. Document creation. Simply click your choice, and you will be directed to a fully functioning web version of that specific Office application. You are now ready to start creating, editing, and designing your professional documents immediately, completely for free. Now you can boost your productivity without the high cost and work efficiently like a seasoned digital pro. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.